Welcome to FAD Tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can make this slip on flange in Blender. So let's go to the Blender and start the tutorial. So we are in Blender now. So first of all we import the image of slip on flange in Blender. So I go to and select this slip on flange and try to import in Blender. So scale a bit up and G to move to zoom it. Okay, and just select this image option. It is here, and check this opacity and try to minimize it. Nice. Okay, so select shift plus A, select plane, rotate x-axis 90. Okay, so tap to edit mode and remove this vertices. Okay, I select this one, G to move. Okay, and scale to match accordingly. Okay, so select this vertices, extrude x-axis, extrude z-axis, extrude x-axis, extrude z-axis, extrude x-axis. Okay, try to a bit minimize it. Okay, so this portion extrude a bit here, just like that, and there's a bevel, so select this vertices, Control plus B, select bevel, vertices. Okay, this is a little bit here. Okay, so select this one, F, scale z-axis 0. Okay, so this portion is done. So apply a bevel here also. This bevel should be very in low quantity. Okay, so Control plus B, vertices. Now this one is okay now. Okay, so shift plus A, select cube and go to vertices mode, press G, z-axis, so scale x-axis, try to match. Okay, this is okay. So shift plus S, cursor to select it. So remove this object, so select our shape here. Okay, so this is the shape. So we need to select, first of all we need to fill. Okay, and select add modifier, generate screw modifier. Okay, so select into y-axis. Okay, and it should be 32. No, it's 64. It's okay, 64 also. And if you go there, so check. Okay, so shade smooth, to normal, auto smooth. Okay, so the next part is, if which we see in the drawing, if I hide it, this is the this is the gap here. So for this holes, if you consider this is the standard flange, for example 1 inch flange, so there are 4 holes are here. So if I select this one again, shift plus A, cylinder, shade smooth, normal smooth. Okay, so select. Okay, try to match the portion, scale z-axis. Okay, and unhide our object, so hide this picture. So select this origin to 3D cursor. So this origin will be go to here. So select the top portion, shift plus D, rotate 90, and shift plus R, repeat the command. Okay, so all are selected, so select all. So control plus J, join. So control shift B. See, bold tool is only work if you go to the edit, preferences, and select bold tool and check this one tick. Okay, then we will use this option. So select all. So the red one to be subtracted from this light orange body. So control shift B, difference. So it is removed. So select the body again, go to the edit mode, press C, shift, hold shift, and for we select the edges, press C, hold shift. So we remove all. Okay, so control plus B, bevel a little bit. Okay, so this is slip on flange. Slip on flange means that the pipe will be move easily on this hole. So I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.